Hey guys, I'm going to go over one of the examples from the book where we're going to use the product rule and the chain rule at the same time. And so the function is f of x equals x squared times the square root of 1 minus x squared. Let me just fix that. 1 minus x squared. And so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite this so that we have the rational exponent. And so we get x squared 1 minus x squared to the 1/2. And so to find the derivative, we're first going to use the product rule, and then we're going to use the chain rule inside of that. So f prime of x is going to be x squared. And now I'm going to take the derivative of our function here, which is going to be 1/2 times the original, 1 minus x squared. And I'm going to decrease by 1, so that's negative 1/2. Now times the derivative of the inside, so 1 minus x squared, derivative of that is negative 2x. So that's my first term. Now I'm going to find the second piece of the product rule. So that's going to be my second function, so 1 minus x squared to the 1/2 times the derivative of the first. So my first function is x squared, and so the derivative is 2x. Okay, and so in class we talked about how to factor out the lowest power, but I'm going to change it up and make all my exponents positive. And so with some simplifying, these 2's cancel, and I'll be left with negative x cubed over 1 minus x squared to the 1/2, and that's going to be plus 2x times 1 minus x squared to the 1/2. All right, so to simplify this, I need to find a common denominator, and this one's kind of easy since it's just the 1 minus x squared raised to the 1/2 power. And so 1 minus x squared to the 1/2. Since I didn't need to multiply this by anything, I have negative x cubed here. Plus, I'm going to have 2x, 1 minus x squared to the 1/2. And now if I wanted to have this have a common denominator of 1 plus 1 minus x squared to the 1/2, well, I would need to multiply that by 1 minus x squared to the 1/2. 1 minus x squared. And again, all we're doing here is simplifying. And so now when I look here, I'm going to simplify the numerator. I have negative x cubed plus 2x. Now when I multiply 1 minus x squared to the 1/2 times 1 minus x squared to the 1/2, that's just going to give me 1 minus x squared over 1 minus x squared to the 1/2. And so simplifying that, we'll get a 2x here minus 2x to the 3rd. And so we'll get negative 3x to the 3rd plus 2x all over the square root of 1 minus x squared. And so here's our derivative of our original function, f of x equals x squared times the square root of 1 minus x squared.